wasn't the best of passes from David Raya into Lewis Kelly. But Brassard saw the space, saw the keeper off his line, and just...
I don't want to hear the other team's fans.
Mute the crowd cheers.
Chance, it's off the punch. Charlton with a header from distance. Oh, Ryan Weasley wasn't the best of passes from David Raya into Lewis.
I want to feel like I'm at the stadium.
Mute the commentator's voice.
Skelly dispossessed the midfield shot from distance.
Tell me red team stats this season.